Okay, alright, we are back with more Factorio. Here we go. I am Pax, and we are continuing here with our playthrough of space exploration. And I've been out exploring the galaxy. We've been on a journey to a few of the other asteroid fields over here and a couple of the stars to stop by some planets and pick up some more modules, take some snapshots of some more of those symbols and these structures. So yeah, we've been visiting these different planets and got a bunch of modules and also got some arcospheres. Went out and grabbed some more arcospheres. And this is like a third journey out. And the little lander here has been so useful. It's been so easy to just show up in orbit and use the lander to get to the ground and grab the goodies, head back up. But we're on our way back now, just a couple minutes away getting back to Novice. And mostly then been cranking out the different sciences. So trying to get through this level 3 deep space science, but there's not like a lot to research per se, but everything's very expensive. 2,000 for this, 5,000 for the catalogs, another 2,000. So it's taking some time to get through this last tier of research and get to the final tier. And it's been jumping around doing the zone discoveries to find some more planets, and just kind of waiting on the science to finish up. But then today, what we can start with is building the Naquiam processes. And so we can just look really quick at the recipe for them. So here we go. There's 2 of them, of course, because they use the arcospheres. But basically, yeah, we're going to have a bunch of the arcospheres turn into mostly lambdas or chis. So this is going to cause a lot of imbalance because, yeah, we're turning different ones into a high concentration of lambdas or a high concentration of chis. And I was also looking at the different conversion recipes, and there's only this one, or this one's probably worth making faster because it takes a lambda and a chi and turns it into the others. And plus the 4 to 4 recipe is a lot slower than the 2 to 2 recipes. So this goes 100 seconds and versus 10 seconds. So it's probably worth getting more of this. So that's part of the thought. Get more of that. And then we are going to want to build the Naquiam processors right there. And they also take advanced neural gel, so we'll want more of that. So let's grab one of those as well. And say take this one. Go here and take, oh, there's no wire there. Hold on, wire. Okay, I want this. Put this out. Then I think it goes back here like this, probably. And we'll need to request the advanced neural gel, yes. But then we'll also need to bring across the wires here. So I guess we'll just do it there to set this up, and should be almost back home. 1 more minute, yep. Then what else has been going on? Yeah, I think the base is a little bit bottlenecked by Naquiam. So yes, we're finally outpacing the Naquiam mining and demanding more Naquiam than we can produce, really. And so we're running short on actually the supply. So we could try to get more, but I think for now it will be sufficient. I also want to I want to add a navigation pen right here, Naquiam plate. But it's been churning it out. It's been churning it out. The spaceships have been pretty reliable. Yeah, I haven't had really any problems with the spaceships. So we might need some more Naquiam mines though, even still. All right, we're almost back. We're almost back here. We're almost back. Very good, very good. Lander, it's been awesome. And yes, so what we might want to do today as well is go visit the Anomaly. The Anomaly. And see what we can do. I don't really know what the point of the Anomaly is, but I think it has something to do with these temples, and there's some secret way to win the game. Alright, we're back. Hey, there goes the Argospheres. And of course, I want to go fly over to the labs. Yes, let me get some jetpacks. Jetpacks. Robot ports. There we go. Yeah, the UPS is starting to hurt. Getting down to 40. It's still like not too bad. I mean, that is the price one pays for sushi belts. UPS. This game, I mean, it's impressive how well optimized this game is. Okay, the science is up and running again. Have more modules. Be more productive. Looking nice. Hopefully we can get through these catalogs and such. And then let's finish setting up our Naquiam processors here. Got some stuff going. Okay, we want to change this to the Naquiam processors, yes. And I want to get this going, so what we need to do is bring the wires over. I think just bringing them to here is all that's required for that. Okay, should be fine, I think, right? The green wire and the red wire here. I think that makes sense, yes, yes. Okay, good. Then you go like that. We need some advanced neural gel. There we go. Bring some of that. And we also need the quantum processors. So let's get another requester chest for those. Quantum processors. Probably only 20 or so is fine. Okay, and then what we want to do is put the processors out, or get the, get them going. And I was thinking also, since this one is kind of like so imbalanced, I was going to maybe constrain it. So I guess the idea would be if we just connect the red wire to here, we could say like, just make sure that we have at least, I don't know, 3 arcospheres of everything. So just say like everything is greater than 3. Should be okay. So we see it off now because the Kais are too low. Yeah, I think that's a good way to regulate it. And okay, all the arcospheres are ready, and we're just waiting on the rest of it. Got the neural gel here. Got everything looking pretty good. But I think we're a bit bottlenecked. Yeah, the Naquiam is bottlenecking us. We're cranking out some of the cubes here, but I think we're just short on Naquiam. There's only 36 here. Yeah. That's not too surprising, not too surprising. We might have to upgrade our Naquiam a bit more, but we would need to go get another mine set up, but we could do that. Just a little bit here, so it shouldn't be too bad. And I was also thinking, yeah, it's time to maybe retire the labs in the main base. So just gonna retire the labs here. Do this, and let's maybe turn this off, turn that off, we'll turn this off, quit requesting the science packs, even put them back onto the system. So all this does is request barrels at this point. Oh, wow. Yeah, I guess so. Well, we'll just take all this off. It'll eventually recycle, and yeah, we can take all these off too. And actually, like, yeah, what we'll want to do is start pulling them off. So I'll just do the tier 3 ones real quick, but we'll eventually get the rest of them. Just do that off camera. But just, yeah, pull them all off here. Whatever, doesn't matter. This will just resupply them to the just put them back on the network and allow the LTN to take them. And yeah, the main hub is now, yeah, it still has plenty to do. We still have to like build all this stuff, and yeah, so time to retire the science at the main base. Very good, very good. But now we got our fully stacked lab and plenty of throughput here. So yeah, hopefully we'll crank out some quantum chips soon enough. We just need some tesseracts, which need some cubes. I mean, let me just grab a couple. Wow, okay, whatever. Go. Just pull out, give me some quantum chips, please. I want some of them. I mean, Naquiam chips, really. Naquiam processes. So I think then, yeah, this will be cool because, oh, yes, I need to do the other variation of this where I say blacklist. And that one I don't need a condition, right? I don't want a condition on those. That's how it works, right? Yes, it is how it works, indeed. Okay, good. Okay, blacklist, yeah. There we go, nice. All right, and okay, we need some thetas, but it should come, Very good, there we go, looking good. All right, and we'll pull them off and set them up. Get the Naquiam processors on the bus, on the on the network, the robo network here. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow. All right, cool. All right, Naquiam processors coming. The monitor's fun. I like it. And yeah, I expanded the antimatter, which I'm almost like, man, do I want to expand it more? It's antimatter is very good. It's very, very OP. Yes, but then I think now, hopefully we start seeing the science start going. What's going on with you? What are you missing? Ooh, space science? Really? Okay, but it's going at least. And there is only 29. Was that a train full of space science though? Maybe? Maybe? Oh yeah, there it is. Good. Okay, good. Back online. Nice. All right, great. Yes. Space science. All right, so then let's get back to our spaceship. And today we're gonna go visit the Anomaly. See what that's all about. I don't really know much about the Anomaly, but I know it's an alternative way to win the game, or like we can definitely do the spaceship victory. That's sort of the intended way to win, which we'll probably do, but I want to also figure out this Anomaly thing, so we're gonna go set our sights on Foenestra, the Anomaly launch. And I'm not sure what we'll need. We'll probably have to bring some stuff eventually, but let's go check it out. And you can't trust this number. It doesn't show up on the star map, the Anomaly. It's like, it's not really anywhere, which is kind of interesting. But we'll see what happens when we get out of the solar system. Then, let's see, what else is going on? Okay, we got stuff going a bit. Waiting on some omegas. They should be there. Looking good. Nice. Yeah, I think having the second one is helpful, just to help us get rid of these extra lambdas and chis that get produced by the quantum chips, Naquiam chips. And the rest is looking solid. Okay, good. Got a good half decent number of them. All right. How are we doing? Exiting gravity well? Yep. Okay. Getting past the asteroid belt. There's Desby coming home with some Naquiam. Hey, Desby. Very nice. Okay, let's check on some other stuff. Got the main hub cranking out the reagent. I feel like the reagent's a little bit imbalanced. This has always been the bottleneck for the biology science, and it just devours our extract, and yeah, just have not been really keeping up with the vitamin chain. Partly, I guess that's because of prod modules and mining productivity as well, but yeah, we've never stopped doing the vitamin, or it just never stops. So, you know, that's what it is, though, I guess. But it feels a little unbalanced compared to the rest of the stuff. But, you know, it's pretty good. Everything's cranking out. I think, yeah, looking good in terms of the supplies, at least. And can check out our other planets and see things, make sure things are running. Yes, we got our vulcanite going and Granus. I think Granus has basically no more holmanite. Okay, there's a tiny amount left, yeah. Over there, yeah. Everything else is dead. All the holmanite mines are dead. So we're basically done with the holmanite from Granus, but I think I have now, yeah, we definitely upgraded the moon, the holmanite supply on our moon Shara, and we got this much bigger station over here, and yeah, I'm sure we're going to be set for the rest of time on the holmanite, I believe. Iridite, the crionite's good. Iridite is solid, but I think, yeah, it's pretty kind of like running out. I think I move these tracks to give us a little bit more over here. We got this one going, but it's a little annoying because it's so overlapping with the iron. But it's all backed up, so it looks like it's like a good supply. And there's a little bit more here. It's worth getting. Maybe like a smattering more somewhere over on the moon. I guess we can just keep it up. It's not really like that, you know, huge amounts much more. So we'll see, we'll see. We also might need more just basic supplies. How are we looking over here? So yeah, so if we look at the travel time, it just like jumps. It's jumping around like haphazardly as we navigate spatial distortions. Ooh. But we're cruising, we're cruising. We should get there pretty soon. And then, let's see. Yeah, we're kind of like running out of resources. I mean, not running out. We have maybe, you know, we've got like a good chunk of copper over here. There's like an okay chunk of iron, some stone. I had to like get the rest of the stone, but all the stone over here. And honestly, there's not that much coal either. But we're looking at maybe like 20 million of the copper, iron, stone, and like maybe 10 million coal left. Maybe 15. So hopefully we don't run out. I mean, I think it's worth just going to the asteroid belt to eventually get more iron and copper, because there's tons out here. There's not like that much stone out here, I think, but we also probably need to get more uranium too. This mine's running pretty low over here. And yeah, our uranium supply on Novice is also running very low. So okay, let's go down here near the wreckage. Let's just go park our spaceship right here, maybe. Confirm anchor. Biosignature authenticated airlock access code transmitting emergency backup log. Derelict spaceship. So we got some new info here. Your exploration journal has been updated. So, oh, Anomaly ship log. Alright, so, okay. Some stuff is going on here. Interesting. SV, okay. Travelogue. SV. It's okay. Might be a clue. Hypertube. Interesting. Okay, so I think it's talking about this wrecked circular thing here. Then it looks like we crashed with it. Trajectory, emergency undock, a prospecting shuttle. So is this our shuttle? Is this our I don't remember coming here. What happened before? Okay, well, okay, we have, okay, it looks like we can pick these up. Okay, let's see what happens. Don't. Alright, so we have all these fragments. Can't pick up the rest of it, but okay. Maybe we can put it back together. Maybe. This looks like something. Okay, here we go. Let's see, what's next? Maybe, how's this looking? Okay, cool. This. Let's see. What's this? Okay, wait, this could be it. Yeah. What else? Where else? What's this? There we go. Okay. This one? Yes. Maybe this? Alright. How are we looking like this? Okay. And this maybe? There we go. This? Alright. This? Maybe over there? Or this one? Okay, there we go. And that one? Ooh, we got it. The artifact. No technology is unlocked. Long-range star mapping. And new technology unlocked is now a dimensional anchor. Okay. All right, let's see. And then this. Okay, it looks like we need to get some stuff. Batteries, superconductive cables, Naquiam processors. It doesn't say how much. Whatever this ring is won't work. This is a construction site to make some repairs. Okay, so we need to come back with some supplies. Okay, let's go check out then the spaceship. Derelict spaceship. Access granted. Is there anything good over here? Guess there's some level 3 solar panels. That's pretty good. And accumulators. Got some random thruster suits. Lots of scrap. I don't know, everything turned into scrap for some reason. Some fuel, some uranium ammo. It's like some chemical gel. Anything useful? What's this? Cosmic water. Scrap everywhere. Got some laser turrets. Can I have this? Yes, I guess so. They changed color. Okay, well, we got some stuff, I guess. I mean, I don't necessarily need to salvage any of this. A lot of random stuff. It's not that useful, I guess. Anything else? Excuse me. Then, okay, get out of the way, please. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything too useful. Might be worth salvaging. There's like a bunch of thruster suits. I don't know why there's so many. Where'd my crew go? So yeah, was this our spaceship? Or did something else go to Novice? Okay, so what else? There's some uranium. Uranium fuel. It's like all scrap. Random thruster suit. Pistol. Super useful. Huh, okay. Well, I don't know. There's not much here, really. Interesting. Wasn't, Okay, well, I mean, maybe we salvage... Maybe I salvage some of the good stuff. Get the accumulators and the flat solar panels. Pretty valuable. Oh, ooh, there's some actually Naquiam processors. Give me those. Thruster suit. And everything else, who cares? Uranium ammo. I mean, I don't really need a thermodynamics facility or anything else, it seems. Condenser turbines, not really worth salvaging. Okay, well, we'll leave the spaceship here besides these last few solar panels, I guess. Right, yep, looks fine. Looks fine, yep, okay, well, okay, interesting, interesting. These last accumulators. So we'll do this. We'll just take these things. Pylon substations. Roboport. Some spaceship parts. Not really important, but yeah. Alright, well, okay. Well, that's the ship. That's the ship, so let's see. What if we go put this in these Naquiam processors? Let's see. Will it be happy with this many? How many is this? 8? Do we need to bring more? I need some electricity. I don't think there's any solar power out here either, so... Okay, we got pipes, processors. Alright, let's just go back and grab... What do we need? We need superconductive tables and batteries. Okay, so let's go grab the rest of this stuff. So let's just set up just a buffer chest right here. Just give us some more Naquiam processors. Let's say 10 more should be okay, hopefully. Grab us maybe a bunch of those and some batteries and what was the last thing? Space pipes? Got a couple more space pipes? Sure. Let's see how that goes. And I guess we'll just use the spaceship to provide electricity. We could, we might need to provide some more electricity, but okay, let's run back to Novice, get this stuff and come back. And where is it? Oh my gosh, there we go. Novice orbit. Okay, launch, let's go back. How are we doing on antimatter? Tons of it, tons of it. Yes, no worries. The anomaly, the anomaly. Okay, let's look at this more. Like, what's going on here? We've got a lot of these SV. Diverse Gate 17. Dialed into projection vector. Predicted target. Wu Bei Galaxy, Foenestra. Okay, interesting. Intergalactic hypertube overridden. No insurance. Ignore. Okay, it's SV. Another one of these directions. Okay. So somehow it's like talking about teleporting or something. Unexpected collision. So were we using the gate or did we just collide with the gate or something? Exiting hypertube. Or is the gate and this teleportation stuff different? I don't know. I don't know. Star mapping. Oh. Okay, here we have the standard vector format. Okay. Star mapping achieved. Long range star mapping. Can we do one of those? Let's see. Let's see. Here's the long range star mapping. Okay, yeah, it takes a deep space science. And then we have the dimensional anchor as well. Okay. Okay, maybe try that as well. See if we make progress on one of those. I think we might be bottlenecked by the space science though. Okay, we're not doing it. Let's see, what are we missing? Are you... We're missing tier 2 science. Naquiam cubes, yeah. So, yeah, we're just a little bit bottlenecked by the Naquiam. So, well, that'll happen, I guess. That will happen. We got tons of processors now, though. We got our tesseracts back, so sitting pretty there. Should be saturating, I guess, on those things soon enough. And we could, yeah, I mean, yeah, we'll just have to wait for some more level 2s to get built. I think we're then just going to be bottlenecked on everything, right? Or do you need? Wait, no. Do you need level 2s? Yeah, so let's just turn on mining productivity or something. There, go. We'll see how that goes. Mining productivity level 9. Alright, yeah, so we'll probably have to stockpile more science. Yeah, there's just like, everything's very expensive. It's just going to take a lot of time. And we might have to ramp up the Naquiam. Okay, still navigating the spatial distortions, so we don't really know. It didn't really take that long to get there, like only a couple minutes. I've heard also that you can use the anomaly as a waypoint. So I think it might take like a fixed amount of time no matter what, or it only, yeah, like, but I think if we wanted to go like way out here, we could like go to the anomaly and go to here faster than just going straight there. Okay, we're back in the solar system, yeah. Kite. Alright, okay, so then we will grab more of the stuff. And we could think about building a reactor. The thing about building a reactor is also it's going to take a lot of Naquiam. So, let's look at, how are we looking in terms of... Okay, yeah, we have Naquiam panels saturated, yes, and the belts are looking good. How many reactors do we have? Just 2? Okay, yeah. Do these say, these don't require Naquiam though. Let's maybe get some more. Let's get, we'll go ahead and start producing more of these. There's a bunch of cubes in here, so should be fine. How much does it take? 50 cubes? Yikes. Yeah, those are quite expensive, but yes, we'll need more of them, I think. And yeah, we'll have to also figure out what's going on in the dimensional anchor as well. So, All right, so we should be back. Yeah, 12 seconds. 12 seconds at... What is this? Almost half. Half speed. Spaceship. Kite. Alright, we're back. Boom. Alright, so then we'll stockpile on those things. Maybe we'll bring some antimatter reactor stuff. Or let's see, let's bring, well, maybe 12, and I think it goes 2 to 1, so 6. Let's get some heat pipes, probably that's fine. And we need the condenser turbines. We need 3 for every 1, so that's fine. We'll do that, we'll just do that. And I guess we'll need scaffolding, right? We'll need like a lot of scaffolding. So you have, yeah, give me more. And okay, well, we'll stock back up on Argosphere collectors too then, yes. And let's see, yeah, just give me more scaffolding. I think we're gonna need a lot of scaffolding out there. So you can have a bunch as well, and you might as well have a bunch too. like not even that much, 3,000. Where's more room? Oh, 4,000? Maybe 4,000's okay. Maybe that's okay. Maybe that's okay. All right, we'll wait for some of this to come then. Bots. What? What happened? It being damaged? I guess a bot blew up. Okay, it's fine. I think I also added this sulfuric acid barreling over here. Because, yeah, the mines take a lot of sulfuric acid, and I was kind of clogging this up too much. But speaking of that, oh yeah, this is messed up, I think. Yeah. We need to actually request it from over here. So request the sulfuric acid barrels here. Sure. There we go. And I think then technically we can also turn this off. Yeah, we don't need this anymore because, right, yes, it's here now. So we bring the liquid sulfuric acid up and just barrel it right here. And that I think is slightly more efficient, I guess. All right, cranking out the superconductive cables to make us some more antimatters, plants. But also, man, okay, it's going to, well, let me just turn this back down to 2 since I put 4 of them over here. Do we have them? Yes, okay, good, okay, cool, cool, cool. Do we need to ramp these up? Let's see. Just waiting on space pipes, huh? Maybe do 10. 10 of those and 5 of those. That seems right because it's better ratio. Space pipes, huh? No copper cables. Let's see, let's see. Let's maybe do, what could I do here? Let's just do, can I directly feed these somehow? Probably, right? Let's see. I don't think I really need this, especially since this beacon is here. But then, let's see, kind of want this here. And maybe I'll just move this as well. See if this works better. And this. And this. We'll just do that. Hopefully direct feed the copper cables over here. Do we have a... Yeah, I can go even faster. Go faster. Sure, go faster. Go even faster. Okay, that should help us with the pipes, maybe. Pipes are pretty slow, so... We need to bring some out to the Anomaly as well, so we want them. Alright, you're looking good, you're looking good. How's our plant looking? I mean, yeah, we got that. That's fine. Okay. We don't really need that necessarily, I don't think. We might need it. I don't know. We'll probably need some power to run the gate for sure. We'll see. All right, we got the supplies, it looks like. Cables and batteries and pipes. That was it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 things, right? Okay, let's then go back. Foenestra. Yeah, looking good. Looks like the bots are happy. All right. Cool. All right, so let's see. We're off. Boom, boom, boom. What's he doing? Oh yeah, that's my supply, logistics supply train coming here, giving me some stuff. Very nice. More Naquiam crystals, more batteries. Makes sense. Makes sense. We just took a bunch of batteries off with us. Mining productivity is going, cranking out a bit. Slowly but surely. It's like what, 15,000? Whew. It's gonna be some time. Yeah, yeah. These last sciences are quite expensive. Arcospheres are arcosphering, producing some catalogs. Nice. Stockpiling. Got 400 level 3s. How are we doing on the level 2s? Just 100 here. Are we still missing them? Yes, we're still missing Level 2s. Deep Science 2. So we'll just have to keep waiting, I guess. Yeah, we gotta just wait for the Naquiam cubes, which we just stole. I mean, we just stole a bunch to make the antimatter plants, but yep, it's coming. They're coming. They're cranking out. They're cranking out. Things are supplied. Yeah, I think I'll just have to get more Naquiam, get more resources in general. Stone and copper and iron. Probably just get those from the asteroid belt and go out and make another Naquiam mine. Make another version of Picard. I was also thinking in the Naquiam, there was like a spot over here. There's like 2 decent patches right there. And then I was also thinking there's a bunch of uranium out here. We could just like straight up mine uranium and make iron plate and make a nuclear reactor and, you know, supply the power locally. Could be nice. And the water ice, right? So the water ice is there too. So we could do everything we need to just make a reactor out here without supplying it. But I don't know. It's like the amount of uranium you actually need for power is very, very small. So it's not too big a deal. All right, how are we doing? Navigating the spatial distortions. So we don't know. We'll get there soon. And hopefully we'll see something. We'll see something. I don't know. How much can we build? How much can we make with 4? So we get, if we made a 4, you get a 100% neighbor bonus, right? But then if you make it a 4, you'll get 200%. So that means we'll get 1.2 gigs times 4, 4.8 gigs. It's pretty good. Pretty good. And then, yeah, this is nice because it goes pretty evenly 2 to 1. And then 3 to 1 is pretty close. Yeah. And it doesn't really use much water because this gives you 99% back of it, or almost all of it. Yeah, pretty good. Antimatter reactors, OP, okay. How are we doing? We don't know. We don't know. Could be anywhere. Could be anywhere. We're gone. We're not in the galaxy. What else is going on? Warcry, getting us an Naquiam. There you are, Picard. Looking good. I might pin Picard 2 here. Let's give it a antimatter engine. Okay, nice. All right, come on, come on. Let's get there. Let's get there. So yeah, probably go around and collect some more Arcuseers. I think it'd still be nice to have more. Although we're looking pretty, I think, on the Arcuseers. I guess we have to go visit more of these structures. And yeah, geometric structures. So there's a lot to visit. There's still probably more to discover. It's, yeah, you can't, it doesn't seem like you can target them because you can do zone discovery and target particular resources, but it doesn't work for the geometric structures per se. And okay, we're back, anchor. All right, let's get close enough that we can power it with a spaceship. Confirm. Okay, so let's actually, maybe we'll put some scaffolding. Okay, make it a little smaller. Okay, scaffolding and maybe a clamp. Do we have a clamp? Maybe, hopefully. Yes, good. And what's the normal clamp? 20? Okay, 20. I guess we'll just, yeah, eventually we might need to set up a supply ship or something. Okay, you have to go over the shield. So let's go like this. And do more, do more, do more. It's fine. Okay, and then maybe we'll get some substations. Substation. Okay, sure, just go there. It's fine. Go here. All right, so, okay, take all this. Okay, we need some more. Okay, give me this, give me all this. Great. All right, let's see what happens. Go. Oh, okay. It did something. Oh boy, okay. There are buttons. 10 gigawatts. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, okay. Hold up, hold up. Alright, so our spaceship produces 1. I need 10. Wow, okay, we brought barely enough stuff either, too. But we have it, I guess. Okay. Well, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, guess we need to get 10 gigawatts of power over here, and thermofluid, looks like. Lots of thermofluid. And what else can we do? There's a combinator here. Fluid output, fluid input, yeah. And then this thing, it says press R to move. Of course, there's no power though, so not sure what that's about. And then there's like some buttons. Push the buttons, but this looks like some sort of something. Power platform, 10 gigawatts. Okay, 10 gigawatts. Wow, okay. So, well, we'll have to then think about how to do that. I guess we'll have to build a big... There's no solar power out here, right? So we can't just... We can't build stuff like this. It's 0 out of 0. There's literally 0. So we'll have to build an antimatter plant, I think. But 4 isn't enough. 4 only gives us like 5 gigawatts. We'll need 8 or 10, maybe even more. I don't even know. It's just for the one thing. We have to, and then, yeah, we'll need all the thermofluid too. So we can maybe convert this as well. Let's get some thermofluid stuff here. Start bringing that out. Probably like, we don't need that many. Yeah, something like that's probably fine. Probably some barrels, I guess. I don't even, are these on the, yeah, I don't know. Something like that. We'll have to do that, I guess, but wow, okay. So, well, we're kind of starting to figure out the anomaly, maybe. We, you know, salvaged the ship and rebuilt the, whatever this thing is, the artifact. And it looks like we're going to need to build at least a 10 gigawatt power plant out here. So that might mean we really need to dedicate also a supply ship, because that's going to be a lot of scaffolding. We're going to need to provide antimatter fuel. And gosh, do we even have enough antimatter production for that much power? I don't know. Yeah. So we'll have to come back for sure, and I think also we'll have to see what these researchers do with the dimensional anchor and the star mapping. But I think we'll have to call the session here and figure out next time what's going on. And yeah, I guess we'll just come back next time and try to build a big power plant, see if we can turn this thing on and see what happens. But yeah, I think then we'll call this session here. There you go, Factorio. I am Pax, and I will see you in the next video.